guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for coming back. And if you are new here, my name is Travis, and in this video we are going to talk about the top 3 Korean BB cream you can buy on Amazon according to my opinion. Anyway, let's get right into this Korean BB creams I want to recommend you guys. I personally on the hunt for some good BB cream, so I did my research all over the internet to see which BB cream is good. So I came up with this 3 and I pay with my own money, because whenever I buy something I want to make my money worth it. So yeah. So first, let's talk about a BB cream that has been around for a while. This BB cream has the most coverage, and they have a lot of color option, and that is the Misha Perfect Cover BB cream, and I have the color 25 warm beige. I like BB cream because they give my skin the natural look, makeup look, even though this BB cream is like a full coverage foundation. I like how light it is on your skin. It feels light on the skin. You can get this BB cream for about $11. Excuse me. Burp. I feel like this BB cream is good for our skin type, and it's really good. It lasts very long. It looks better, more natural on the skin. It has fuller coverage, so I really like it. Yes. And anyway, it has the SPF 42, if you're wondering. So my second favorite BB cream is the Burrito Snail Clearing BB cream. This BB cream is about under $10. Amazing price. I love the natural dewy look that this product gives. I got a sample at first with this BB cream, so much that I decided to purchase the full price. It has SPF 38 PA+++. If you want this BB cream to last longer, then you would have to use like primer, powder, setting spray, and all the extra steps to make it last longer, which it can last longer. Yes, I have tried all the steps. Anyway, the third favorite BB cream is the Maison Snail Repair Intensive BB cream, SPF 50. You can get it on Amazon for $14. This BB cream is good for oily skin. I feel like if you have dry skin, you still can use this as well. You just have to know which product to pair it with in order to combat the dry skin problem that you have. I used to have oily skin, but now I have dry to combo skin, and I can still make it work. This BB cream are more yellow undertone base BB cream, so if you have like pink undertone, it might not work best for your skin type. Anyway, I purchased all these products with my own money. No one give them to me. Yeah, I just want to share them with people out there, and I will put all the link to where you can get this product down in the description box below. The links are affiliate links. Please help me out by using the links below to make your purchases with these products at no extra cost to you. I really need your support in order to get some commission from Amazon in order to keep making videos. Doing YouTube for a while is not very easy for me. I struggle very much to keep my channel alive. Please help me and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it.